Hello, today we're diving into a specific and frustrating error that Bosch dishwasher owners sometimes encounter. Bosch dishwasher E25. If you've seen this error code on your dishwasher's display, you're likely dealing with a drainage issue. But don't worry, I'm here to help you understand what it means and how to fix it. Bosch dishwasher E25 is an error code that usually indicates a problem with the drain pump or an obstruction in the drainage system. This means that the dishwasher is struggling to empty out water properly, which can leave your dishes dirty and your dishwasher filled with standing water. To resolve this issue, let's go through some troubleshooting steps. First, check the drain pump. In most Bosch models, the drain pump is located near the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher, remove the bottom rack, and take out the filter. Inspect it for any food debris, broken glass, or other obstructions that might be blocking the pump. Carefully clean out anything you find. If the filter looks clear but you're still getting the Bosch dishwasher E25 error, it's time to inspect the pump impeller, which helps move the water out of the dishwasher. Sometimes, small pieces of debris can get stuck in the impeller, causing it to jam. Check if the impeller can move freely. If not, try gently removing any debris. The next step is to inspect the drain hose. The hose connects to both the dishwasher and the drain system, and any blockage here can prevent proper drainage. Ensure that the hose isn't kinked, bent, or clogged. If you notice any blockages, use a plumbing snake to clear them. If these steps don't solve the Bosch dishwasher E25 issue, it's possible that the pump itself may be malfunctioning and might need to be replaced. At this point, calling a professional is recommended. A technician can determine if the pump or another component, like the control board, is causing the problem and perform any necessary repairs. I hope this guide has helped you troubleshoot the Bosch dishwasher E25 error. Regular maintenance of the filter and hose can prevent drainage issues and keep your dishwasher running smoothly. If you found this information useful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and appliance care advice. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.